This is the tire house. Let's take a little tour. That's little Mercy.
What is set out like? Make me remember like when. You know what? I had a puzzle, but it's like 1,000 pieces. It was way too hard. I opened it up and Tom said, "We didn't pay our lady card. Just get a different one." Well, yeah. I mean, you can expect the kids to possibly mess it up too. Well, I was going to set it kind of over in the corner over here where we think. Let's high. Do you have a high table?
I want to do a puzzle.
This one, I would love to. I think it sounds. I think he's gonna go.
There's a kitchen right there.
Well, maybe we can put it. Well, they actually, I had it up for a while and she did bother, but I don't know.
This is a planter.
You have to lay down if you're going in here. Okay?
It's a fountain. It comes out right there and it'll come down here.
Very interesting, but yeah, we can have him. But he is. He's cool. I don't think he's really cool.
These right here are can walls. Any wall you see like this is going to be made of can. And I'll show you what that means.
You're not expecting me to die anytime soon, are you? No, and it's the weirdest kind of thing. I'm not like a money. It's not like I want things that work. Like, look, I like I understand that. Like, I think this is pretty. Well, it's not my favorite, but this is pretty cool. I love that birdie dish. The one. It's weird that I like that because I don't really like things with shape.
Those are all can walls there that make up the planter.
I actually like that. I do kind of like your that frog. It has memories for me a little bit, and I like it.
These cabinets were just put in.
She's got the other one, so you could probably have that one. She has it, right, already? She has one of them, yeah. She has the green one. But that one's kind of busted. I don't know if you liked it that well, but it's kind of busted. Yeah, you know what? I won't take anything. I'll just take that. Can I put my name on the bottom now? On the bottom, if you can get it on the bottom, I think you can do it. Oh, honey, why did you come over here with me? I brought stuff up.
You got one more bag or something I can,
I saw a bunch of water bags. One more. Oh, I got to sit down and pay bills. I'm really tired.
There's a little window here. It's really cool from the other side. It shines the light through.
Why did we get money?
Hi, Heather.
It's probably our
It's a little hutch here. This is a little utility closet. This is coming into the master area here. That door I went through was the master area. This shows some of the bricking done. Remember the glass I showed you from the other side? Actually, you can see the light shining through from this side. Those are bottles with two halves put together that make the kind of a glass brick. And coming up in the bathroom here, on the left is the actual area with the toilet. And yes, that's a bidet. And over here, this is really beautiful. These are murals put on the bathroom. This is a shower area. And this is the shower. All these walls right here are made from cans. And a friend of ours made these murals all the way down them. And then here you have the sink. The large mirror in front. Vanity lights. And then over here is really beautiful. This is a mural done for the tub. That's actually a bathtub right there. Against the walls, it's a mural painted on there. Glass bricks. Okay, so now we're going to move down to the master bedroom. Now what you see in the walls here, these are the tire walls. It's hard to explain what the tire walls are, but we'll still show you what those are in a minute. We go to the more unfinished areas. The walls here, when they stuck it over them, they put fern branches and other type of branches into the wall, and then pulled them out to create the inset, then paint them a different color. So you have these cool decorations into the walls. The branches. Here's the bed. And this is the far end of the house. If you're looking at the front of the house, this is all the way to the right. Planters. Here's a sun bench. Now the sun bench is made of all can walls. And again, in the unfinished area, I'll show you what can walls actually look like without the stucco on them. It's very beautiful. Planter here. And just to quickly show you the outside, the one side porch. These are tire walls over here that go all the way up to the roof. And these are some trees. These are some avocado trees, I think, right here. Mom is making. There's a papaya tree she's growing right here. Got quite the green thumb. Now I'm going to come back through. There's a closet back over here. I think there's Christmas gifts over there, so I'm not going to go in there. And this is the living room. That is a dog. You see Dallin right there? That's the dog.
I wanted one they could play with, except you have to watch Omar in that one.
And that's a gas hearth, gas fireplace.
See, look.
Stonework all over the ceiling.
And they're like sticks, they fell from.
Now here's an unfinished area. Immediately you can see differences. The walls have not been painted or completely stuccoed. And over here is where can walls start. That is actual soda cans, aluminum cans. They're done in a honeycomb fashion that actually creates a much stronger wall than if you just did straight concrete, and eliminates the need for doing any kind of rebar or things like that. The advantage is not only do you get strength, but you get insulation, plus you get the ability to make all sorts of different kinds of curves and stuff that you can't do in a normal wall. So for instance, this is actually going to eventually be a bathroom, another full bathroom. And this, as you walk in, this is going to be a hot water heater or something, or some sort of utility here. I believe the toilet will go here, this little partitioned area. And then there'll be a sink right here. And then there's stairs going into the shower, much like the other shower. This is actually what the other shower looked like before it was finished. And then let's go down over here. See, these planters were all made with can walls. They all look like that before they were stuccoed over. It allows you to do cool things like doing the curve you see along here. And all the tire walls are actually look like that on the inside before they're stuccoed over. Each of them are car tires that have been packed with dirt so tight that they're rock hard on the outside, and then they're stuccoed over. That's really good for insulation plus stability. Some more can walls. On the end here, there's plans to do a little mosaic into the wall there with some tile. The whole front of the house has sliding glass windows. It's part of the insulation factor for the home. And this is a double can wall on the end here. Both ends of the house use double can walls for the outside. And this is what a tire wall looks like shortly before you get it completely finished. You can still see pieces of the tire sticking out of it. Some sliding glass windows there. As you can see, this tire tread. And this is the garage. The garage is also not finished quite yet. Power box there. Got the washer and dryer here. This was always meant to stay open like this to show really people an illustration of what it looks like on the most basic form of a tire wall. They're probably going to put a wooden door over that, and then it'll be used for showcasing whenever somebody asks what it looks like on the inside. But you can see on the inside of the tires there, when they're done packing them and stacking them, before they start go over them, they put a lot of filler in there. It could be cans, it could be chunks of concrete, anything they can to fill in the space. And what you see next to it is actually what it looks like finished. So it's pretty amazing. So all my friends who want to know what the crazy tire house looked like, that's what it looked like. I'm going to show you one more area and then we're done. You can see up here in the can walls that they haven't got them all the way down to the top, and they're waiting for the drywall and painting to be done, then they can actually finish it all the way to the top of the drywalling and the ceiling. Here's the guest bathroom, little half bath, the toilet and a water closet. One cool little feature, you got the mirror here, vanity. My mom thought it was kind of cool to put stones in there. Well, I kind of like it, pretty cool. Alrighty, that's it.